We've seen a couple cases up in New Hampshire, Massachusetts, here in Connecticut. It's because New England, the Mid-Atlantic states are a small area.
The measles outbreak in New York City is now impacting Connecticut. Health officials now say someone from New Haven County got sick after visiting Brooklyn. NBC Connecticut's Caitlin Burchell is here with what you need to know. Caitlin.
Keisha, well, the Department of Health says this is the third adult from Connecticut to contract measles this year. 3 was the number of all the cases in our state last year alone. But experts I spoke to aren't necessarily nervous for folks in our state, but they want to make sure people here are vaccinated.
The good thing here in Connecticut, we have such high vaccination rates, it's unlikely that we'll have a large outbreak or see widespread spread of measles.
But Dr. Jack Ross, the medical director of infectious disease and infection control for Hartford Healthcare, says the confirmation of this latest case is an opportunity for folks who have chosen not to vaccinate their kids to rethink that decision.
This vaccine is amazingly effective as long as you have a normal immune system.
He says our actions or inaction impacts those vulnerable people.
So it behooves all of us to fulfill our social responsibility and get vaccinated for many diseases.
Earlier this week, New York officials started requiring residents in parts of Brooklyn to get vaccinated to stop the spread of the virus there, mostly among members of the Orthodox Jewish community. So far this year, more than 460 cases of measles have been confirmed in 19 states. Health officials say this is the second largest number of cases in the U.S. since measles was eliminated in 2000.
We've seen more this year than we've seen in the entire country last year.
Now, symptoms of the measles include a rash and fever. The Connecticut Department of Health say they are monitoring this case very closely and following up with folks who may have been exposed to the measles. Caitlin Burchell, NBC Connecticut News. Back to you.
Caitlin, thank you. 2 more.